children, welcome back. Now in the previous lectures we have learned factorization using various identities. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn how to divide a monomial by a monomial or a polynomial by a monomial. In short, we are going to learn the division of algebraic expression. Children, till now we have learned addition, subtraction and multiplication, but division we are going to see for the first time. For example, I want to multiply 6x cube. I want to divide 6x cube by 2x. So I can write it like this: 6x cube by 2x. Now what are the factors of 6x cube? 2 into 3 into x into x into x divided by 2 into x. Now if you see carefully, I can cancel 2 and 2, 1x, 1x. Now in the denominator I have nothing. What is left in the numerator? 3 into x into x. 3 as it is. What is x into x? Yes, 3x square. So here my answer will be 3x square. Understood? Then this is division of monomial by monomial. What if I have a polynomial which I want to divide by a monomial? Here, divide this expression by 8xyz. So write it like this: 24 x square yz plus xy square z plus xy z square divided by 8xyz. First of all, find the factors of the polynomial that is there in the numerator. Keep 24 as it is. Now what is common in all of this? X is there in all the three, y is there in all the three, z is there in all the three. So over here I can have x, y, z common. So what will be left inside? From here I have removed x, so 1x will be left. From here x, y, z. From here x, y and z we have removed. Then here x and z we have removed, but y square is there, so 1y will be left. Over here again x and y we have removed, we have only z inside. Divided by 8xyz. Now xyz can get cancelled. 8 1s are 8 3s are 24. So here what is left with me? 3 into x plus y plus z. These are my factors: 3 into x plus y plus z. This is how you will divide. Okay. Here, division of algebraic expressions. Here you have to carry out the following divisions: 28x raised to 4 divided by 56x. First find out the factors of 28x raised to 4. We have already learnt 2 into 2 into 7 into 4 times x. These are the factors of 28x raised to 4. Then 56x. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. Now when you put it in the form of division, over here see, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, again 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 7 and 7 will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled. So on top, in the numerator we have x cube, in the denominator we have 2. Therefore we can write it as x square divided by 2, or even as 1 by 2 x cube. Here, minus 36y cube divided by 9y square. In the numerator write the factors of minus 36y cube. In the denominator write the factors of 9y square. So here these are the factors. So cancel 3 and 3, 3 and 3, y and y will get cancelled. So what is left? Minus 2 into 2, you will get minus 4, and y is left which will multiply, so you will get minus 4y. Over here 66 pq square r cube divided by 11 qr square. So in the numerator you will write the factors of 66 pq square r cube, and in the denominator you will write the factors of 11 q r square. Now start cancelling. 11 q r and r. So in the denominator we have nothing. In the numerator 2 into 3, 6 p into r into q. So, PQR. So, we will get 6 PQR in the here. Next, 36 x cube y cube z cube divided by 51 x y square z cube. Write the factors of 34 x cube y cube z cube in the numerator and the factors of 51 x y square z square in the denominator. So, when you cancel, 17 and 17 will get cancelled, x and x, y and y, y and y, and 3 times z will get cancelled. So, in the denominator I have 3 and the numerator I have 2 into x, that is 2x square into 1y. So, I can write it as 2 upon 3 x square y. So, this is how you will divide a polynomial by a monomial. Here again, 10x minus 25 you want to divide by 5. So, see, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Find the factors of 10x minus 25. I can have 5 common. So, it will give me inside the bracket 2x minus 5 divided by 5. Now, 5 and 5 can get cancelled. So, what will be left with me? 2x minus 5. That is my answer. One more. 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So, over here 5 can be taken common. So, inside the bracket you will have 2x minus 5 and in the denominator you will have 2x minus 5. So, 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 can get cancelled. What will be left? Only 5. That is my answer. Here, 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Okay. 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Find the factors of the numerator. 10y as it is. From here you can have 3 common. Into 3 you can have 2y plus 7 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So, 2y plus 7 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10. So, what will be left with me? 2 into 3, that is 6 and y. So, 6y will be left with me. Here, 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. 9x square y square as it is multiplied by 3. You will have z minus 8 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. So, z minus 8 will get cancelled. xy and 1xy will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 9s are 27, 9 ones are 9 ones are. So, what is left? Only xy. That is our answer. Yes. Here, you have to factorize the expression and divide them as directed. First, you have to factorize them and then divide. So, y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. So, when you factorize this, you have to use the concept of splitting the middle term. So, for factors of 10, 2y plus 5y and you will get 7y. So, when you take common, the factors that you will get is y plus 2 and y plus 5, and when you divide, y plus 5 and y plus 5 will get cancelled. So, what will be left with you? Y plus 2. Here, m square minus 14m minus 32. So, when you factorize m square minus 14m minus 32, you will get m minus 16 into m plus 2. When you divide by m plus 2 and m plus 2 will get cancelled. What will be left? M minus 16. That will be our answer. Yes. I hope that this concept of division is also clear to you. I will now see you in our next lecture. Till then, practice these sums. Take care. Bye bye.